All right, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to demonstrate chamber measurement of soil gas fluxes. So we're going to go ahead and put our chamber top on top of the collar. Just tightly seal it there. And then we're going to go ahead and take our time zero measurement from the chamber. We want to know what the initial gas concentrations were in this chamber. So we'll use our syringe here and we'll pump the headspace to equilibrate it, and then we will take a sample. So we've got our gas sample in our syringe. We'll adjust the volume to our desired amount, and then we'll go ahead and we will store it in our vial here. And we've got our sample then that we can take back to the laboratory to analyze for concentrations of nitrous oxide, carbon dioxide, and methane. So what we'll do now, we've got our time zero. Typically what we would do then is that we would take another sample after 5 minutes, after 10 minutes, after 20 minutes. And we'll end up with 4 of these glass vials, and we can then measure the concentrations of gases and their change over time. We use that to calculate the emission of these gases from the soil. So how does different management affect the emissions of nitrous oxide from soil? Well, all else equal, I think there's most scientists would agree that the less external nitrogen that you apply in the form of synthetic fertilizer or manure, the less emission of nitrous oxide you will see from that soil. So that's probably the simplest factor to consider. There's a number of other factors that are still sort of under debate in the community, right? Considerations of the form of fertilizer, the timing, the placement, right? The rate, all of these questions, all of these factors we know can influence the emission of nitrous oxide from soil, yet the answer may be more system specific. And so there the devil really is in the details, and we need more measurements to sort of flesh out our understanding. I'd say the simplest way to reduce nitrous oxide emissions really is to be more conservative with the nitrogen applications to an agricultural system.